Welcome to Code with Vinod. In this video, we will learn data binding in Angular. So, data binding is a process to export the data from components to front page, or we can say HTML, our view page. So, this is a process to export the data from components to view part. So here we have two type of data binding. First one is one-way data binding, and second one is two-way data binding. So in this video lecture, we will discuss on one-way data binding types. So first one is string interpolation, second one is event binding, third one is property binding, and we have class binding and style binding. So let's come on code part. So this is our testing project which we have already created in previous videos. So here we have our component, and this is our HTML part of this component. So let's check on front end. So this is by default HTML view page of our Angular application. So let's remove this. So everything is coming from this app.component.html. So this content is coming from this file. So let's write our own HTML. So here we will type, let's say, learning data binding. If I save this, then we will refresh this page. So this is our heading is showing here. So here we will, so this is our hard coded value coming, we have written in this HTML page, and same we are displaying here. So here we will trying to get the data from component to our HTML page. So this is our string interpolation type. So let's say I have this para, and if I save this, so here we will use P for para, and we will try to get the data from components. So in component app.component.ts, we will take a variable, let's say my string data. So you can take any name of this variable. So this is my testing string data. We can take any paragraph here, and let's copy this, and we will use here inside double curly braces. If I save this, and then on front end we are able to get the my testing string data. So this is the string interpolation, one-way data binding. So second one is event binding. So event binding is a process in which when user apply any event, let's say if user mouse hovering on any text, or clicking anywhere, any button, so event when event will trigger, then data will come from backend to, sorry, from components to front end. So let's create a function for this. So let's say this is my event, and let's say I want to alert, hi, I am event. And if I want to use this event using any button click, so I will take a button. So I will use click is equal to, we will use our function, and click me. So if I click on this, we are able to get the data from our component to this front page view page. So this is our second type, data binding, event binding. Third one is property binding. So property binding, we will use, let's say, uh, to get some data from backend to change some property. Let's say we have an input type, we have an input box, input type. So we don't have anything here. I break this, and here I will use this. So this is our text box. So with what is so with the help of our property binding, we will try to get the value. So we will use, for property binding, we will use this square bracket. So inside the square bracket we will get the value is equal to, let's say, my value. So my value, this variable we need to create in the component. So let's say here, this is my, what is the type, my property value, property binding value. So in our HTML box we are able to get this value. So this is our property binding. And fourth one is class binding. So with the help of class binding, we will use some dynamic class, and we will try to get the class value from the component to this HTML page. So we will create a class. So here we will use div class. Class is let's say my class, and this is my para, this is my class para. So we need to create this class. So let's say my class is equal to, I want to give some color. So this is my class para, and we need to create some property, the CSS. Color is equal to red, and sorry, so we need to take proper syntax. So here we can see our class binding is working. So we are able to change the color, and if I take another color, dot green, and color is equal to green, and in the component.ts, if I take green, so my color will change as per our class. So last one is style binding. So with the help of style binding, we will take a dynamic style. So in the HTML, we will take a para, let's say p and style is equal to, we will take some style, and this is our para for style. Let's save this. So let's say I want to take color, so style or color is equal to my color. So I will take this my color from component.ts. So we need to create, so let's say red, and if I check here, so this is our para for style. So if I take any other color, so it will work. So in this lecture we have discussed one-way data binding, and in the second video we will discuss on two-way data binding. So hope this helped. Thanks for watching.